7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about an altcoin, Kusama, currently ranked number 74 on CoinMarketCap. At the point of recording this video, you can get one Kusama for $68. It has gone as low as $62 in the last 1 year and as high as $536. Guys, we're looking at the Kusama versus US dollar price chart. We're looking at Kusama versus Bitcoin, Kusama versus Ethereum, and then we'll look at the Kusama market cap chart. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin dominance and the total crypto market. I'll show you, should we hold Kusama in the bear market? How high can it go? Can it get to $1,000? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, in the last 1 year, Kusama is down 77%. In the last 1 month, is down 57%. And the last 1 week is down 15%. But it's not peculiar to it. And the altcoin market is actually down. You can see a lot of these altcoins are down double-digit percentages. ApeCoin is down 66%. And Curve is down 50%. DOT is down 45%. A lot of them are down that 40, 50, 60% range. And so Kusama is performing with the normal market. When the normal market pumps, KSM pumps. When the normal market dumps, KSM dumps. If we're looking at the KSM dollar price chart on the weekly time frame, so each bar here represents 1 week on the KSM US dollar price chart. You can see that, guys, KSM had a wonderful bull run from January 2020. It went up over 55,000% in just 483 days. That was very crazy ride, from as low as $1 to as high as $589. That is very crazy. That's a 589x return on your investment. But guys, since it tops in May 2021, since then it has been reducing in value. It has dropped over 89%. And I have bad news for KSM holders. It can still go lower. It can actually go as low as 90, 95, probably even as 97% down. Will it do that now? Nope. Only time will tell. But guys, even in the bear market, because Bitcoin has actually been tanking for a while since when it topped at 69k, Bitcoin has actually dropped to as low as 28, 27k. That's over 50% drop. And if Bitcoin is tanking and if Bitcoin is in the bear market, and during the bear market, the last 2 bear markets for Bitcoin dropped over 86%, which is very crazy if you think about it. And right now, KSM is down about that amount. KSM is down 89, 86% from the all-time high. It can still go lower. If Bitcoin is dropping, KSM can still drop. If you don't know what KSM is, guys, that's just a brief history on KSM. What is KSM? What is Kusama KSM? Self-described as Polkadot wild cousin, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. And where can you get some if you want to get some to hold during the bear market? And guys, that won't be advisable. I'll be showing you why later on. But if you want to get some, you can get some KSM on Binance, on Kraken, on Hubo Global, on Gate.io, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. The market capitalization for Kusama is around $577 million. The fully diluted market cap is $662 million. And we have a total supply here of 9 million coins. And in circulation, we have only 8.4 million coins. At the point of recording this video, it had a trading volume in the last 24 hours of $115 million. So how will it perform in the bear market? Guys, only time will tell right now. But how high can it go in the next bull run? Can it get to $1,000? We cannot actually predict that right now till we find the bottom of the market. If we assume that it's going to actually bottom around this $24 region, if it bottoms at $24, that means Kusama or KSM would have dropped at least almost 90% from its all-time high. Would have dropped 96% from its all-time high. Is that possible? Guys, crazier things are happening in crypto. Ethereum in the previous bull run dropped over 95%. So it's very possible for these coins to drop that deep. And the next bull run, if it bottoms, and in the bear market, if it bottoms at $24, it can probably get to as high as probably 2,900 in the next bull run. It's very possible. Ethereum went from 1,400, guys, to as low as $80, and then Ethereum pumped back to as high as 4,800. So it's very crazy. KSM can actually get there, but it has to go through the bear market. The bear market actually exposes all these coins, and this is actually KSM first cycle So it's going to actually experience a lot of drawdown in the bear market. You can see right now that on the Bitcoin pairing, from the bottom of the market in February 2020 for KSM, it actually pumped over 14,000% against Bitcoin, which is very, very crazy. Now it has lost over 84% of its value against Bitcoin. And if we're in the Bitcoin bear market, guys, altcoins actually lose a lot of value against Bitcoin in the Bitcoin bear market. And you look at Bitcoin dominance, what you don't want to see in the Bitcoin dominance is Bitcoin dominance actually increasing, and that's what we have right here. Bitcoin dominance is about to take this 48.5% high. If Bitcoin dominance takes this 48.5% high, guys, we're actually going to dump probably to around 65-60% for Bitcoin dominance. And if Bitcoin dominance is increasing and the market is actually dumping, guys, all coins are dumping harder than Bitcoin. That's the implication of that. And if we actually flip this chart, we invert the scale. Let's assume we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance upside down. And upside down for the Bitcoin dominance is the altcoin dominance. That's inverse of Bitcoin dominance chart is the altcoin dominance. If we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance from an inverse perspective, let's assume that this was the pump for Bitcoin dominance and this has been distribution. What happens after distribution, guys? Bitcoin dominance will actually dump. So I can see Bitcoin dominance probably dumping to as low as 58% or probably 60% of the total crypto market. And even if Bitcoin is pumping, let's assume the market bottoms out and Bitcoin start pumping, I don't still think these altcoins will take off, Kusama included. So I think KSM will continue losing value against Bitcoin for the nearest future. That's why this $24 region is a very, very important region for me. I actually think it can get as low as $24. I'm not saying you should go and sell all your KSM. You have to make that decision for yourself, guys. Remember, I'm just a dude on the internet, like sharing that chart and telling you what I see in the chart or what I'm predicting in the future. You have to make your own decisions for yourself. Don't forget, KSM is a really new coin. Don't forget, during the bear market, a lot of these new coins actually dump really, really hard. None of them is paired. I told you guys in the last bull run, Ethereum was the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The bear market didn't spare it. Bitcoin itself dropped over 83%. And you can see KSM against Ethereum from the bottom in February 2020. It has gone up over 6,700%. And as usual, it will have to share some of those weight. And it looks like it was hyped up. It's down. It's 8%. Will it continue dropping? Is this the bottom for it? I don't expect it to go down in a straight line. I'm not saying it should just keep losing value against Ethereum. There will still be some bounce here and there just to get people bullish. You can see there was a bounce here. How many percent? 99% against Ethereum. There was another bounce here. How many percent did it pump against Ethereum? It's 80-90% against Ethereum, and this is in the downward trend. So you can see that it's having some correct bounces against Ethereum, but for us in the crypto market, that we know that these things can go up as high as 7,000%. A 30-40% pump is nothing to actually write home about if you think about it. And the market cap for KSM has actually risen significantly in the last 2 years, from as low as $732,000 to as high as $5.2 billion at the top of the market. Guys, that's really crazy if you think about it. That's over a 71,000% pump. And from where we are right now, for us to go back to the all-time high on the market cap chart, guys, we have to pump over 800%. Can KSM do that? I don't think it will do that, except Bitcoin actually start pumping. So we have to find the bottom of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has to bottom out, and if Bitcoin bottoms out, then just maybe then we'll actually start going to the moon. But right now, even if you look at the Bitcoin market cap chart, it's at huge support, and if this support breaks, it's going to be really bad for all coins. The total crypto market cap too is still holding this level. It's holding the $1.18 trillion. And guys, if you look at total crypto market cap from the bottom of the market for all of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, KSM, Solana, all of them included, you can see that from the bottom of the market, we are still up over 1,100%. That's actually crazy if you think about it, because the whole bull run from the bottom of the market to the top of the market is around 3,000%, and we're still up over 1,000%. I still feel as if there's still downside for us to go to. The bear market normally for Bitcoin and all these altcoins actually take over a year. And most times when Bitcoin actually bottoms out, a lot of these coins have not actually bottomed out. They'll still have some further down to go. Will KSM be different? Only time will tell. Guys, for you to get to $1,000, we'll have to go through a deep bear market. Only those people that believe in it actually have to buy it at that point, because when to get to the lows around that $20, a lot of people will be convinced it's going to go to zero. That's just how it is in crypto. A quick recap of what we have learned in this video. KSM at the point to record this video is down 77% in the last 1 year. It's down 56% in the last 1 month. and it's down 15% in the last 1 week. Can you get to $1,000? Guys, only time will tell right now. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about KSM. Do you think it has any possibility of reaching an all-time high very, very soon? Do you agree with that or do you disagree with that? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2